Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the realist novel in modern literature. Introduction. The realist novel emerged as a dominant literary form in the late 19th and 20th centuries, characterized by its commitment to depicting life with unembellished accuracy and a focus on everyday experiences. This literary movement sought to present life as it was, emphasizing truthful representation over romanticized or idealized narratives. Authors within this tradition aimed to portray the complexities of human existence, often eschewing moral or ideological agendas in favor of aesthetic purity. This video delves into the realist novel through the lenses of key authors Moore, Gissing, Rhoda Broughton, Oliver Onions, Israel Zwengel, Arthur Morrison and John Davidson, and examines their contributions to the genre. Additionally, it explores the influence of realism on short story writers and novelists of social purpose. Moore and Gissing, Pursuit of Aesthetic Canons. George Moore and Edward Gissing are pivotal figures in the realist movement, each striving to present life with detached, photographic accuracy. Moore, renowned for his commitment to aesthetic canons, sought to elevate the novel to an art form by focusing solely on artistic merit rather than moral or ideological considerations. His works are marked by meticulous detail and a dispassionate narrative style, aiming to create an unfiltered portrayal of reality. Similarly, Edward Gissing aspired to achieve realism in his novels. However, his dedication to artistic considerations was somewhat nominal, as his narratives often subtly infused social critique beneath the veneer of realism. Gissing's commitment to depicting the harsh realities of urban life and the struggles of the lower classes underscored the potential of the realist novel to engage with social issues without overt propaganda. Rhoda Broughton, Crafting Detailed Narratives. Rhoda Broughton, 1840 to 1920, was a significant contributor to the realist novel, known for her intricate and detailed storytelling. Her works such as Not Wisely but Too Well 1867, Red as a Rose Is She 1870, Belinda 1883 and Dr. Cupid 1886 exemplify the realist commitment to portraying life with accuracy and depth. Broughton's novels often explore the complexities of human emotions and societal interactions, presenting characters in their multifaceted realities. In Wisely but Not Too Well, Broughton delves into the intricacies of romantic relationships and personal ambitions, while Red as a Rose Is She examines themes of love, betrayal, and societal expectations. Belinda and Dr. Cupid continued this tradition, offering nuanced portrayals of individuals navigating the challenges of their environments. Broughton's ability to weave detailed narratives with authentic character development underscores the realist novel's emphasis on truthful representation. Oliver Onions, Blending Realism with Suspense. Oliver Onions, 1873 to 1961, further enriched the realist tradition with his unique blend of realism and suspense. His notable works include Little Devil Doubt, 1909, Good Boy Seldom, 1911, In Accordance with the Evidence, 1912, The Debit Account, 1913, and The Story of Louis, 1913. Onions' novels are distinguished by their precise and clear narrative style, which captures the minutiae of everyday life while simultaneously building tension and intrigue. In Good Boy Seldom, for instance, Onions explores the dynamics of rural life and the complexities of interpersonal relationships, maintaining a realistic portrayal while introducing elements of suspense. His attention to detail and commitment to authenticity ensured that his stories resonate with readers, embodying the realist novel's dedication to depicting life accurately without sacrificing narrative engagement. Israel Zangwill, Social Conscience in Realism. Israel Zangwill, 1864 to 1926, was a prominent voice in the realist movement, utilizing his novels to address social issues and advocate for reform. His works, including The Children of the Ghetto 1892, Ghetto Tragedies 1893, Dreamers of the Ghetto 1898, and They Walk in Darkness 1899, reflect his deep social conscience and commitment to highlighting the plight of marginalized communities. Zangwill's novels often portray the struggles of Jewish immigrants and the challenges of assimilation, emphasizing themes of identity, discrimination, and social justice. Through his realistic depictions of ghetto life, Zangwill sought to elicit empathy and understanding from his readers, positioning the novel as a tool for social awareness and change. His works underscore the realist novel's potential to engage with societal issues while maintaining narrative integrity. Arthur Morrison, Exploring Urban Realities. Arthur Morrison, 1863 to 1945, made significant contributions to the realist novel through his vivid portrayal of urban life and its associated hardships. His notable works, Tales of Mean Streets 1894 and A Child of the Jago 1896, offer unflinching examinations of the lives of the urban poor in London. Morrison's detailed descriptions and authentic dialogue create a stark and honest representation of the social and economic struggles faced by his characters. In A Child of the Jago, Morrison presents the grim realities of life in the East End, capturing the environment's squalor, violence, and despair. His commitment to realism serves as a powerful critique of social inequality and failures of urban policy, reinforcing the novel's role as a medium for social commentary and reform. John Davidson, Moral and Ethical Exploration. John Davidson, 1857 to 1909, utilized the realist novel to explore themes of morality, ethics, and personal responsibility. His works such as Purfurvid, The Career of Ninian Jamieson 1890, Baptist Lake 1894, and The Wonderful Mission of Earl Lavender 1895 exemplify the realist commitment to portraying complex moral dilemmas and ethical conflicts within authentic settings. Davidson's novels often feature protagonists grappling with their moral choices in challenging circumstances, highlighting the human capacity for resilience and ethical decision-making. Through his realist narratives, Davidson encourages readers to contemplate the moral dimensions of everyday life, reinforcing the novel's idea's role in fostering intellectual and ethical reflections. Influence on short story writers and novelists of social purpose. The realist conception of fiction significantly influenced short story writers and novelists focused on social purpose. The commitment to accurate, unembellished representation of life provided a foundation for writers to explore and advocate for social reforms through their narratives. The authenticity and depth characteristic of realist novels transferred effectively into the short story format, allowing writers to address social issues concisely and impactfully. Authors engaged in the novel of ideas and social purpose, such as Rhoda Broughton and Arthur Morrison, extended the realist tradition by embedding their narratives with social critique and advocacy. This intersection of realism and social purpose underscored the novel's versatility as a medium for both artistic expression and societal change, influencing subsequent literary movements and reinforcing novels' enduring significance. Conclusion: the realist novel of the modern age represents a pivotal evolution in literary history, emphasizing truthful and unembellished depictions of life. Authors like Thomas Hardy, Joseph Conrad, Rhoda Broughton, Oliver Onions, Israel Zangwill, Arthur Morrison, and John Davidson harnessed the novel's potential to interpret human existence, advocate for social reform, and explore complex moral and ethical themes. Their contributions underscore the realist novel's dual role as both an artistic endeavor and a vehicle for social commentary. Furthermore, the influence of realism on short story writers and novelists of social purpose highlights the genre's enduring capacity to reflect and shape societal values. The legacy of the realist novel lies in its profound impact on literature's ability to engage with and influence the human condition, affirming its place as a cornerstone of modern literary tradition. So this was the discussion on the realist novel in modern age. We will discuss some other topic in the next video. Until then, goodbye and thank you.